Hello, my name is Ryan Zakos here out of Sarasota, Florida. I'm a licensed real estate broker and my company is Zakos Realty. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best place to invest in Florida. So I'm going to make the argument that I believe Sarasota County, Charlotte counties, and Manatee counties are some of the best places to invest in real estate in the state of Florida, or even in the country. I'm going to give you a couple key factors that I think determine what makes it a really good investable opportunity. Appreciation, demand, safety, schools, and employment. I'm gonna start with appreciation. The consistent growth of this area of about a 5% appreciation year over year has been the standard, the norm, and it's continuing to grow in appreciation year over year. If you look at this chart I'm going to share with you and a couple other charts I'm going to share with you throughout this video, I'm going to talk about how even at a conservative rate, if you're looking at a 5-year cumulative appreciation of about 17.6%, that's even taken under the 5% growth year over year. That's an appreciation number that is pretty significant. So in looking at this real estate report card, you'll see that in a 5-year gain, in just the forecast, you'll see about a $54,000 net gain. The median home price in this area is just a shade over $300,000, so it still makes it a pretty affordable opportunity. Next thing I'm going to talk about is the demand. The demand is significant, it's increasing. I've seen growth in this area like I've never seen before. I think part of that is COVID. I think a lot of people that are living in the northern states or even out west in California, they're paying a high property tax, they're paying even high property values to live in these states, whether it's rent or mortgage. Coming out of these high population, high tax, high overhead states and moving to Florida where they can sit in a house with a pool on a back lanai, enjoy the weather most of the year and get all the benefits that Sarasota has to offer, whether that's the world-renowned beaches, bike trails, walking trails, parks. Sarasota County has wonderful amenities. There's even comedy theaters, performing arts theaters. There's a lot to do in Sarasota, world-renowned restaurants even. So there's a lot of reasons why people want to move to Sarasota, and COVID, I think, was that kind of trigger, that spark to allow people to start making that move. That coupled with the interest rates, property values, everything else has made this now a hotspot. So I do not think this is going to end. I think people see the benefit of living here, wanting to be here. And I also want to talk about the demand of rentals. Because this area is such a seasonal spot as well, there's a lot of opportunity for not only seasonal rentals, but long-term rentals. So the rental demand, the housing demand, I do not believe it's going to change. So I believe that this does make that an investable opportunity. Another thing that I think makes this an investable opportunity is the safety in the schools. The safety in Sarasota County is below the national average in both violent crime and property crime. I know there's a lot of places like that in the country, but Sarasota County, Manatee County, Charlotte counties, this is a very safe area to live, and I think that it makes it very desirable. Also the schools. Sarasota County is often regarded as having the best schools in the whole state of Florida. I want to shout out one school, Pine View. They have an elementary, middle, and a high school. Pine View is often regarded as the #1 school in the nation. So not only is Sarasota County School District one of the best in the state, but it's also one of the best in the whole entire country. So this does make it a popular spot. We're working with buyers all the time that are coming down from other states, other cities that are saying, I want to send my kids to the best schools. That's how I know about Sarasota, and that's why I want to be in Sarasota. So with the safety in the schools, I think that makes it a high demand as well for this area and make another investable opportunities. The last thing I'm going to touch on is employment history. The median household income is $15,000 higher than the national average. That's pretty significant, and then the unemployment rate is actually consistently below the national average as well. So the high median household income coupled with the low unemployment rate is a great benchmark to kind of realize that this is another opportunity for investing, that the demand will always be there. With the amount of people that are moving here, the job opportunities seem to just be growing. Whether it's healthcare, finance, or even labor or service opportunities, the demand is just increasing. So this does make it an investable opportunity. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you touch on some of these topics in other videos, so if you want to go check those out, if you have any comments, comment below. I would love to hear about what you're looking for and how I can help you. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.